About one place in China, did you know that 7 out of every 10 security doors in China come from here? That 5 out of every 10 seats of power tools in the world come from here? That 6 out of every 10 insulated mugs in the world come from here? This is the place where they depart from their journey to the world. This is the hardware capital of the world, Yonkang. Yongkang is a small city occupying only 0.01% of China's geographical territory. On the other hand, Yonkang is a giant for manufacturing industries. It's the capital of doors unlocking the future. It's the capital of insulated mugs, keeping the warmth of our heart. It's the capital of kitchenware, reaching the perfection in cuisines. It's the capital of electronic tools, changing the world of mechanism. It's the capital of sports and leisure vehicles, welcoming the word of future. Everything you need is in the capital. The name of the capital is Yonkang. Yonkang has them all. Yongkang's heritage in hardware has come from the prestige of more than 5,000 years of history. Casting tripods in the age of the Yellow Emperor 5,000 years ago, forging swords in the Spring and Autumn period 4,000 years ago, molding crossbows in the Han Dynasty 3,000 years ago. Gold, silver, copper, iron, and tin have come together, composing a masterpiece for the history of hardware making in China. Yonkang artisans forged iron and serviced the world as far as they could reach. Measuring the world by footstep, they inherit craftsmanship for thousands of years. Yonkang hardware is easier to reach. It's everywhere and nearby you. Presence of Yonkang hardware is ubiquitous, where it thrives at the Global Technology R&D Center in Shenzhen, the Global Product Incubation Center in Shanghai, and the Global E-Commerce Center in Hangzhou. At your fingertips, it builds a cross-border e-commerce that reaches 193 countries. In the cloud system, it builds overseas branch warehouses that serve hundreds of millions of families. Yonkang hardware, bringing the world together. Join us. Let's develop a great business for you and me. Yonkang has been the primary choice for the hardware business and its entrepreneurs. As for the global center of hardware manufacturing city, Yonkang is the home to more than 1,000 top award-winning products, the location of more than 1,000 high-tech enterprises, and the place of producing and incubating the best hardware brands. The world embraces hardware from Yonkang, and Yonkang integrates hardware business of the world. Yonkang is the city of entrepreneurs' destination. The business system of 3+2 platform has been launched. The 3+2 platform incorporates 3 leading industries: modern hardware, high-end equipment, and new materials, and 2 burgeoning industries, which are electronic hardware information and live health technologies. Let's make a glorious history. The place has been an inventor's factory for dream come true, witnessing China's first angle grinder, first crawler tractor, and first intelligent rice transplanting machine. The next first can be yours. Here is also the Investors Nevada, where the first investment activity took place for the industry of insulated mug business in China, the industry of gardening tools business in China, the industry of reflective material business in China, and the industry of door locks business in China. The next first can be yours. Welcome to Yonkang. We endeavor to pursue General Secretary Xi Jinping's vision of building a state-of-the-art manufacturing center for China and the world. Yonkang, the hardware capital of the world, is embarking on a new adventure